Hello everyone, today we're going to tell you the top 10 reasons you should go to Burchfield Nature and Art Center. The first reason is history. Did you know this land was first owned from the Seneca Indians? Then it was acquired by the Ebenezers. Early 1900s there was a hotel here, but it burned down. In 1998, they chose the site to honor Charles Burchfield, the artist. Coolest thing, Charles Burchfield used to live close by and paint in areas just like this. They say his house was very close. The second reason is art appreciation. If you love art like we do, you'll love this place. They have tons of sculptures and plaques. They describe the art and the artist. The third reason is this creek, the Buffalo Creek. Perfect for the Buffalo Wild Club. You can go swimming here. The fourth reason you should plan a trip to Burchfield is because sometimes they have free art projects. Let's go take one, because I'm a kid. Shh. Free art activities. Number 5, trails and picnic areas. And all kinds of areas to explore. Let's go. Buffalo Wild Club! Number 6, this is a great place to meditate. Number 7, you can do field trips and classes here. What a great way to learn. Think multi-sensory. This place is like an outdoor museum. Number 8, summer activities like concerts, festivals, and tours. I want to come here for a concert. Number 9, this place has a beautiful garden. Last but not least, the 10th reason you should go to Burchfield. They have an awesome playground, and I'm going to play on it. See you later. We hope we convinced you to go to the Burchfield Nature and Art Center. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and don't forget to share.